Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of activating your SiriusXM subscription on your TV. If you're ready to enjoy your favorite music, shows, and more, let's get started. Step 1. Visit SiriusXM.com, activate. Open your preferred web browser and go to the SiriusXM activation page by typing in www.siriusxm.com, activate. Step 2. Log into your account. Once you're on the activation page, you'll need to log into your SiriusXM account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one by clicking on the sign up option and following the prompts. Step 3. Find your activation code. After logging in, navigate to the My Account section. Look for the option labeled TV Activation Code or Activate TV. Click on this option and you'll see your unique activation code displayed on the screen. Step 4. Access your TV. Now grab your TV remote and turn on your smart TV or connected device. Make sure that it is connected to the internet for the activation process. Step 5. Launch the SiriusXM app. From the home screen of your TV, find and launch the SiriusXM app. If you haven't installed it yet, head to your device's app store, search for SiriusXM, and download it. Step 6. Enter your activation code. Once you've opened the SiriusXM app, you'll see an option to enter your activation code. Carefully input the code you obtained from the SiriusXM website. Ensure that there are no typos, as this could prevent successful activation. Step 7. Confirm activation. After entering your code, click on the Activate button. You should see a confirmation message on your TV screen once the activation is successful. This means you can now start enjoying all the great content SiriusXM has to offer. Step 8. Troubleshoot, if necessary. If you encounter any issues during activation, double-check that you've entered the correct activation code. You can also visit the SiriusXM help page or contact customer support for assistance if you need more help. Thank you for following along with this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content and tips. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up.